everybody, this is Jen.
And this is Ken.
And this is our class summary for Intermediate Lindy Hop, Week 1.
August 2023.
At the Woodchoppers Ball at the Verdi Club. Alright, so we added a couple of slidey footworks in your basic swing out. First was a scoot step for both leaders and followers. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, and then for the leaders,
yeah, we're going to do a little slide pivot at the end of the swing out. We're going to allow the follower to turn us at the end.
Followers keep traveling out using the basic footworks. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and then we did basic airplane Charleston from open. We got into it from a swing out. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5.
Sideways rock step.
1, 3, 4,
double
5,
kicks.
6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7,
And then the
8.
exit.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, double
7,
kick.
8. 1,
Connect.
2, 3,
You can swing out again.
5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and then finally we did a couple of variations on two-handed tuck turns from open position, both with a free turn and with the hand up above. We'll show both versions from
We'll start with a swing
this
out
angle.
and the arm slide to get
So
to
you
the
can see
two-handed position.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, tuck,
3,
turn.
4,
5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay.
All right, now with the hand over the follower's head, outside turn.
From two hands, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, tuck, turn. 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that was our new stuff for week 1. So have fun practicing those steps, everybody.
So long, everyone.
See you on the dance floor.